Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do another Lightroom tutorial. This is me, 𝗽𝘀𝘀𝘄cie𝗿𝗱. So let's get started. Free preset for Lightroom, link in description. All you need is a password, so make sure you watch the video till the end. The preset includes desktop version as well. In the package, you'll get XMP file which can be taken photo edit in Lightroom Classic and on Photoshop RAW filters. If you are using Lightroom on a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG file as well, where you can copy to other photos. Please support us by giving a like and subscribing. We will be providing high-quality stuffs. Without further ado, let's start. This is a preview of the Lightroom preset, before and after applying. Let's make your photos look amazing with our preset. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Let's take an adventure's ride on magical world of Lightroom. Password will be appearing as a card on top right corner and will appear 2 times. Combine both of them to get the code. Feel free to comment below. Let's go to Lights panel. Change the exposure to -0.02. And now contrast to 30. Change highlights to -70. Shadows to 30. After that, change the whites and blacks to -20. Go to Tone Curve, and follow my steps. Look at this, you'll have a better idea. Go to Colors panel and change the vibrance to 50. Go to Color Mix panel, change the red hue to 30 and luminance to -20. On orange, change the hue to -10. Saturation to -40. Luminance to 20. On yellow, change the hue to -10. Saturation to -70. Luminance to -30. On green, change the hue to 40. Saturation to -90. Luminance to 51. Now take the saturation of aqua, blue, purple, and magenta all the way to -100. Go to Effects panel. Change the clarity to 40. Dehaze to 20. Go to Details and change the noise reduction to 20. Now color noise reduction to 20. Now copy the settings and paste it to other photos. After downloading the preset, do the same. Copy settings and paste. Note that preset may not work for all images. So make sure to increase the highlights, exposure, whites and blacks manually, if the photos are dark. Thank you so much for supporting. If you really liked this video, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Have a nice day. Click the video for more tutorials and free presets.